Vikas Pathade. I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I joined Evision. Evision is the best information technology training platform where we get to interact with the latest technology and provide proper training. Additionally, they offer mock interviews and interviews preparation session which help in crack the interview. I joined Evision for 45-day internship program and I sure a job at WIPRO company with package of 1.92 LPA. I must say Evision is the best and has excellent trainer and staff. Thank you Evision.
So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.